Right. And straight away, we have a train. I've literally only just arrived, so this is going to be a bit of a pain. But we have two trains. There's a 319 behind me. Oh, it's a stopper. It's a stopper. This one isn't. Got 150, 140 in there as well. Heading out now, 150, 140 bound for Staley Bridge. Looks like that will be Salford Crescent because absolutely nothing stops at Clifton. Well, two trains a day in it at Clifton. So yeah, not been here for a while. Kearsley. And because it's now getting darker later, there's definitely a lot more potential to come to this station. So yeah, just staying here for half an hour, get a little video in. I think this is my go-to now. Kearsley's the one. Next on the agenda, 397004, which will pass shortly. Aspect down there has just gone green as well. So let's see what happens in this fine little half an hour in Kearsley. Coming up now is 397004 to Edinburgh. Here we go then. We have a 331 coming up now. Coming up now, and as the rain comes through, this will be 150-002. What is this camera doing? .002 coming through now is a 331. Oh, it's old actually. Interesting. It's old. Never seen that before. 331031. The rain has started. Absolutely throwing it down. There's not really anything else due to see much. There's nothing else now. So guess all that's left to say now is North West Transport 390 out.